Understanding the digestive system step by step. Hi, I'm Hayley from Parallel Coaching, and this video is for you if you are studying for your level 3 nutrition exam. First of all, there are some functions and some features of the digestive system: the mouth, the pharynx, the esophagus, the stomach, the pancreas, the large intestine and the small intestine, and we're going to explain all of these in this video. So first of all, when we're eating food, the food then is first of all digested in our mouth via mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical is with the teeth and the tongue, and the chemical digestion is amylase, which is responsible for breaking down small carbohydrates and simple carbohydrates. Then it travels via the pharynx, past the epiglottis, and the food goes down into the esophagus via a system called peristalsis. This is the action of a muscular action pushing the food down in towards the stomach, goes via the esophageal sphincter, and then in the stomach there is a very strong acid and lots of enzymes, in particular pepsin, which will take that food and turn it into chyme. This chyme then travels into the small intestine. The first section of the small intestine is called the duodenum. And this duodenum is the very entrance point to the small intestine. And the small intestine is the point where most of the macronutrients we take in are absorbed. And the other two sections of that small intestine are the jejunum and the ileum. Now, in the jejunum, this is where more enzymes from the pancreas and from the liver join the system. So this is going to allow us to break down the food even more so it can be absorbed into the blood and carried around the blood to the relevant cells. After this point, it then goes into the large intestine, where it travels around. This is also called the colon. And at this point, all of the water is taken away from the food. So colon absorbs the water, it manufactures vitamins, it produces mucus, and it also forms and expels feces, which is then where it moves into the rectum, and that's when you get that urge to go to the toilet. So that is the passage of food from your mouth all the way down to the toilet. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you can get more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.